Good morning, guys. Oh my god, it's been a while that I haven't vlogged. It's really been a while. I believe a week and a half, maybe. Yeah, you might think that because the last video that I upload is the send help thing, and that's just like over 2 weeks ago, and it's because I edit that video over that vlog late. That's why. So anyways, I'm gonna try to talk to you guys and just update you on what's been going on with the past few weeks. It's been crazy. I can even like think right. But anyway, today is Friday. Yeah, today is Friday, March 15, and I have to go to my bank, and I have to go to Best Buy. No, not Best Buy, but BJ's. Like I said, because I've been going to TJ Maxx and also going to the stores, because I'm gonna send this package over there as soon as possible, because my sister is gonna be due around May or June. So I want that baby clothes I want the package to, you know, to send as soon as possible, so it will be there probably May or June. I don't want that to be late, so that's what I've been working right now, and I've been busy at work. It's so much crazy thing going on, but don't worry, I'm gonna let you guys catch up with that. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. I literally just wearing a white shirt because it's really nice today. It's 71 degrees, I believe, but yesterday was also nice. So it's probably gonna run around 5 or 4 p.m. so I'm gonna try to do the errands as, you know, as early. It's almost 12 o'clock. It's 11:33 right there, 11:33, and I just got done my makeup, and my skin has been acting crazy because it's been dry. So anyway, enough of me talking. Then let's go ahead to my car, and yeah, I will see you there. Anyway, guys, the previous vlog, yeah, so I went ahead and got a membership at Planet Fitness. So tomorrow I'm going to the gym and try to, you know, work out. I picked the black card, so I have a lot of benefits from this rather than picking the classic ones. So yeah, that's that. I got the black Planet Fitness card. So anyways, I'm gonna try to go to my bank first and update you while I'm driving. So I'm gonna set the camera on my tripod right here so I can hold on. By the way, I'm just using my Forever 21 bag. Yeah, that's just that. And oh, I'm gonna show you guys yesterday, since okay, I'm just gonna show you. This is from Shoe City. I got the Adidas leggings from there, and also I got my my nephew, the one, you know, because my sister's pregnant, so I got her this one for, you know, my nephew, the baby boy. So I also got this at the Shoe City. This is just so cute. I believe this is the Air Force. No, this is the Jordan 1, I think. Yeah, I don't know if you can see because it's very sunny, but look how cute this is. It's so tiny and it's so cute. So that's that. I don't know. I don't know how much I paid for this. I don't know where's my receipt, but yeah, so that's that from the Shoe City. I just got 2 things, which is the leggings and the shoes. So anyway, I'm really happy because I think this is the last week of winter and it's gonna be spring. So, you know, the leaves are coming out, like the flowers, stuff like that. So I don't know, I'm just really excited. And yeah, let's go. Hold on, let me just set you guys up. So I'm gonna update you. I'm gonna try to remember what happened for the last week and a half. Anyway, yesterday I went to my dentist. I got a dentist appointment because I have 2 problems. My gum got infected last 2 weeks ago. Yeah, a week and a half ago, as I remember. It got infected, and this happened I believe Wednesday night when I'm starting to hurt, and then I feel like, and then after like I'm brushing, I see that like my gums got swollen, and it's just so bad. And then what happened was the day after that, since it was my day off, Thursday, I went and called a lot of dentists near where I live. So I went in there and got checked up, x-ray, stuff like that. And the dentist told me to get a root canal for 2 teeth. And yes, a root canal, and it's so expensive, you guys. So yeah, he told me that I need to get 2 root canal, and yeah, that was that. And after that is they gave me a rundown of like how much it's gonna cost, since my dumb ass, my stupid ass didn't I do have a medical insurance. Yeah, I have that medical insurance, but I didn't get a dental insurance because for some reason I'm like, yeah, I'll be all right, stuff like that. So guys, make sure you have your dental insurance. I really fucked that up big time. So anyways, they gave me a the price range of the root canal and crown. So it was $6,049. Yes, it was that. That's a lot of money. That's the original price. Since I believe I got the insurance around January, I applied for dental insurance and also vision insurance, since I have a problem with my eyes, like I can barely see if I don't have the glasses. That's why I added 2 more insurance, which is the dental and vision. So anyways, that happened. It was just a terrible week for me because I thought that I'm gonna enjoy my weekend, but I was like literally like suffering for the last couple of weeks because I couldn't sleep, and my dentist prescribed me amoxicillin. I have to drink that, and also ibuprofen and probiotics, stuff like that, some medicine. So that's that. And then what's happened next? Okay, I think I passed my bank. Wait a minute. See, this is the thing, I have to have my glasses. Well, I can see, but it's blurry, so I think no. Anyways, that was that. I've been like suffering, and I couldn't even sleep. The first day, the first night when my gum started to hurt, you guys, I feel like I just want to get a gun or I just want to die. Like, that's how bad it is. Like, I just want to die. Like, that's how painful having an infection or having I'd rather have a stomach ache or headache rather than having a stupid toothache. That's how bad it is. Like, that's how bad. So yeah, and then anyway, after the amoxicillin, and also taking Tylenol, the pain reliever. So I'm taking those pills, and it's kind of like getting better. And I couldn't even eat food. Like, I'm trying to the food that I've been eating is the crab chowder, chicken, something like that, like some soups. And so yeah, that was that. Long story short, got the root canal, and it costs like 3,000 something now, since I have my insurance. They don't really cover like fully, but I don't know, like they kind of adjust to my insurance. I don't know, that's just the lady at the dentist told me. So anyway, yeah, 3,000 something for root canal and crown for 2 feet. Yeah, that was that. So it's really expensive. So I was just like planning, you know what, Philippines are more cheaper if I just got a fix over there. But I'm not gonna wait till I go to the Philippines to get my teeth fixed. Okay, I think I'm ready.
Go for it.
Can I just get the new cloud macchiato in grande?
So we've got a cinnamon one or a caramel one. Which one would you like to try?
Can I get the caramel?
Yeah, and you said grande?
Yeah, grande.
Hot or cold?
Cold, please.
Awesome. Can I get you anything to eat with that?
I think that's it.
Alright, $5.25 is your total. We'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna try the cloud macchiato. I don't know if it's any good. They're really nice here. Like, I like them. They're really jolly. So I'm gonna try this cloud ice caramel macchiato. I believe these are new, so kind of like I'm trying to shake it slowly because I don't want it to spill. So here you go. I want to mix it so bad, but I forgot to ask for a straw, but it's actually good. I just have my lipstick over there, but this is, yeah, this is it. It's very foamy. Well, it's cloud, that's why they call it cloud. But okay, since I don't know where is my other bank here near me, I'm just gonna go to, it's good, you guys. If you go to Starbucks, I don't know if this is available worldwide, but try to order that. It's really good. And if you, because I've been loving the ice caramel macchiato before, that's like my favorite drink. So I'm just gonna try to back up before I have to go to the BJ's. And I already have my coupons cut, and yes, there is one comment that I think he or she, I don't know if it's a he or it's a she, but you know, it's like one comment if I use coupons. He or she just asked if I use coupons, and I said yes. Yeah, who doesn't want to save money, you know? So I got coupons already cut. This is from the BJ's. So the BJ's is right there. It's literally close. That's the Ulta. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the Ulta right beside me. They're still working on it. So let's just go to BJ's. Alright, just go. Okay guys, here I'm inside. I also pick up more coupons just in case if I don't have the stuff that I cut the earliest one. But why am I here? Hold on. Let me go to, oh, they have the air fryer. I believe this is the air fryer. Let's see. Okay guys, here is the coupons that I cut from last week right there. Just gonna try to find these. Okay guys, so I'm also gonna get water because we're running out of water. So I'm gonna get a Deer Park water, and I have a coupon for that as well. So here is the water aisle. So let's get the Deer Park. Guys, they have all the peanut butter. Since I already have peanut butter, I'm not gonna get more. So I went ahead and just get 2 Deer Park and then this regular purified water. They also have strawberry jams and grapes. Yeah, mustard, mayonnaise. And I'm gonna try to go to the vitamins aisle. For the vitamin section. I didn't bring my tripod, so I literally put you guys in my bag. I don't know if you guys can hear me. So we're here at the vitamin aisle. I will be doing a balikbayan box part 2 soon, so stay tuned with that. I'm gonna get these guys because it's 3% off. I will be giving this to my sister, Sydney and Trisha. So this is for them. Here is the vitamins, guys. Vitamin aisle, all of them. There. So I'm gonna look for vitamin C and multivitamins, and also the Vitafusion for men, so I can my brother can drink use that as well. So okay, let me just put my glasses so it's easier for me. So I'm just putting all of the stuff that I bought in my trunk. Okay guys, that was a lot. I'm really happy I got the coupon because I save almost $15 or $16. So I pay less, so that's really good if you have coupon and if you're a member, because you really save money. And I believe the second package is almost full. I don't know, I have to, next week I have to go to the Waldorf so I can get the extra box. So anyway, I'm gonna just try to Google, I'm gonna open my door for a minute because it's really hot. It's 76 degrees, so I'm gonna try to Google where is the nearest bank, because I literally have to go to the bank and maybe get something to eat after that.
A few inches later.
Alright, I'm here at Ross, so I'm gonna put you guys in a minute. It's really hot. Anyway, that's how people, if it's really cold, we complain about how cold we are and we need some sun. And now God is giving us this heat, now complaining about heat. What is it? So anyway, I'm gonna go to Ross. I'm trying to contact my sister, but I think she don't have any load or something like that. Anyway, my car is a whole mess. I might stop at the car wash later. I don't know, maybe I'm just gonna wait until the rain. I do have a bird poop in my side mirror that needs to go, so I don't know. Okay, let's just go to Ross first. So hold on, let's go to Ross because I need to get some. Where's my key? See, I'll be like, guys, I'll be forgetting shit. Yeah, I got it right here, just not double checking. Anyway, this guy parked really close to me, or I parked close to him. Anyway, okay, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna try to vlog. Here's the Ross right there. That's Ross. It's right beside Best Buy. got the cart, guys, and that's for my nephew Raven. So we're going to the boys section, which is youth, so I can get my brother some shoes. I'm hoping that they have his size, because if not, I'm just gonna go to the mall and buy him shoes. Okay guys, so I might just order online because they don't have nothing here. I might just go to Zoomies or Adidas because they don't have his size. They have 7 and 8, 6.5, but they don't have his size. They're way too big for a shoe. This is 7.5, so I don't know. Okay guys, so I decided just to come here, at Olive Garden right there. So I'm just gonna eat real quick because I'm really hungry. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm done eating. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this: don't order a lot when you're hungry because you're gonna end up regretting it. I didn't even finish all my food because I was overwhelmed. But anyway, the food was good. It's just the steak is kind of like salty, but it was so good. But I didn't eat all of it, so I just put it on the to-go box. Yeah, I got my water over there. Anyway, I'm really full. That's why I didn't eat it all, because I don't want to be sleepy, because I tend to do that if I am hungry and then I eat a lot and then I'm gonna end up being sleepy, or like, you know, stuff like that. But anyway, I'm going to finally my bank now because it's near somewhere here. So yes, I'm gonna go there first, then I will check on you guys in a couple minutes. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go to Bath and Body and also Target because I'm gonna look for ELF, the 16-hour camo concealer. I believe that's the name of the concealer, and I'm gonna probably do a makeup video about what's new on drugstore makeup, or a full face using ELF. I don't know. So yeah, I'm headed to Target because I believe they have, I don't know, I'm gonna check if they have the concealer. If not, I'm gonna, you know, I'll check you guys with me. So yeah, let's go to, where is that? Okay, let's go to Target because my grandma's calling me. La. Ah. Hey guys, oh my god, so I went to Target, and yeah, they do have my concealer. I'm gonna show it to you upstairs, but I am going to show you what I got also from Bath and Body. And I'm not gonna show you what I got from Ross since I'm gonna be doing a balikbayan box part 2, so just stay tuned for that. But I'm just gonna show you what I got from Bath and Body. I was on the phone with my grandma because yeah, and then I was inside and then I couldn't vlog while I was on the phone, and you know. So anyway, I got this Sweet Pea not facial spray but cologne perfume, and also French vanilla and honey. This smells so good. It's either buy 3 get 2, and you can also buy 2 get 1. What I did is just buy 2 get 1. And also got this body lotion. I will be giving this away for my sister. So that's that from Bath and Body. And what else? Okay guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here right now, since it's already almost, well, it's already 4:00 p.m. so I'm just gonna end the vlog here because my card is full, and I'm gonna try to edit this vlog. Yeah, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon.